All right, we're back on. Me and Newk gonna give our predictions on what we think this car gonna do. Okay, I think this is like that basic 20, 430, 20, something like that, 3300 kV. This right here is a 2440 or 2435. I told y'all, let you know. Might even be a 2445, but this one right here runs at 3800 kV. I am sure of that. We do have another one that runs at a different kV. So like I said, we're already set the track. So Newk, how fast you think this car gonna go? We only on 2S. I don't want your 3S run numbers. On 2S, what you think?
34.
34?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's pretty fast. I think I gave my prediction earlier. I said like 27. So let's hope we hit the 34 like Newk's talking about. Newk, go ahead and hold the steering wheel. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Boom. And like I said, we got this one is 3S capable, of course, so we will do a 3S on there. I'm not even gonna set any trim. They handle good enough, and I believe I'm set. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's the 100%. I got a 50, a 121%, and I have a 121, a 50, and a 75 on my throttle. So, yeah, I'm ready to bring it back new. Who's that calling? Mom? Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay. We're gonna get this GPS rolling. I don't know if we start. Yeah, we started. So, here we go. I'll make sure I get on the straightaway. We're gonna get on the straightaway. 1, 2, 3. All right, that was pretty decent. And I haven't hooked the lights back up yet or anything.
Do you want me to put on drag or track?
No. We're just doing track right now.
Okay.
All right, so we got that run. Let me move out the street.